In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. If you want a simple way to store documents, images, videos, or other files online, Google Drive is a great option. Uploading files to Drive helps you keep everything in one place, access your files from different devices, and make sharing much easier when needed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic upload process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Drive and go to your My Drive page. This is the main area where your personal files and folders are stored. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one Google account. That can help avoid uploading files to the wrong drive. When you're on the My Drive screen, look to the top left corner of the page and click the New button. This is where Google Drive gives you different options for adding content, creating folders, or making new documents. For this task, we're focusing on uploading an existing file from your computer or device. After clicking New, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to add a file that already exists on your device. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open. Now use that window to find the file you want to upload. You can browse through your folders and select the item you need. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. If you want, double check the file name before confirming, just to make sure you picked the correct one. Then continue with the selection so the upload can begin. After that, Google Drive will start uploading the file automatically. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While it uploads, you may see a progress indicator, usually near the bottom right of the screen. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your drive. A helpful tip is to stay on the page until the upload finishes, especially for larger files, so you can confirm that everything was added successfully. It's also a good idea to organize your files into folders later if you want to keep your drive neat and easy to navigate. And that's it. That's how to upload files to Google Drive quickly and easily.